All right, team, maintain current tension. We are clear of the ground. Repeat, clear of the ground. Lift steady. Watch the balance. Begin slow rotation clockwise. Keep me...
Watch your clearance, move it left. Okay, setting it down now. Alignment confirmed. We are good to bolt.
Copy that. Setting the clamps now.
All right, bring it down slow. Hold it right there. Looks good on this end.
We have a deviation at frame 72, 2 millimeters starboard.
Bringing the jack up now.
Shim is set.
Laser alignment looks good on this end. Secure the clamps.
Watch the clearance on deck 5.
Easy, easy. Bring it down slowly.
Clear below.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Easy, easy, looking good. Clear to seat.
That's the correct routing according to the schematic. All right, this section is fully secured now.
Open the valve another 10%.
Pressure holding steady at 200 psi.
Digital readout confirms. We are good to proceed.
That section looks good. Make sure the bands are crimped tight.
Roger that. Moving to the main steam line next.
Align it right there.
Got it, hitting the bolts now.
This section looks splendid, Myers. Send the cleaning crew up to A deck next.
All right, powering up fixture 12. Looks good from the blueprint.
The voltage is stable at 220.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
The voltage on this circuit seems stable now.
Yes, but the alignment is still slightly off center.
I'll make a note of it for the finishing crew.
Watch the corner on the left.
Okay, easy now, keep it steady. Almost there, bring it back a little.
Keep it tight to the wall there. Watch the lift clearance.
Got it, Supervisor. Reversing now.
Okay, bring it down gently. Looks good right there.
That's torque to specification.
Solid. We are clear here. Let's proceed.
Console aligned and secured. Torque checks complete.
Copy that, A. Verifying harness connections now.
Cable routing confirmed on schematic. Proceed with connection.
All checks complete on the upper level.
Noted. Logging final approval for the Grand Salon.
This section looks good. Move to the next plate. Aye, sir. Moving now.
That's the last of the gear.
This room is finally ready for the crossing.
Looks stunning.
Power sequence initiated on auxiliary systems.
Voltage stabilization confirmed across the main bus.
Wiring integrity checks out on the lower deck conduits.
Does the schematic match the routing for the auxiliary power conduit?
Yes, the fiber optic bundle is secured and labeled correctly now.
Line adjustment complete. Check the starboard indicators.
Looks good, right in the green.
Auxiliary engaged. Pressure stabilizing now.
Confirmed. Rudder response is nominal.
Labels aligned and verified. Systems are stable.
Excellent, excellent. Another section complete.
Lift C, move to section 4. Roger that, moving now. Clear the area below the rig.
This is Inspection Team 1. Priming coat looks good. Ready for Phase 2 mobilization.
Check the seam alignment here at the waterline.
Looks good, documented. The sheen is consistent across the plates.
Hull integrity confirmed. We are cleared to flood the basin.
detailing phase is complete. Everything is immaculate.
Confirmed. Logging the final approval now.
Pressure levels stable across all pistons. We are ready for activation.
Copy that. Main control.